I still remember the way that I felt the second you walked in the room. My heart started racing as I lost my breath, 'cause I'd never seen such a view. And I knew the rest of my life's about to start with you, holding you close in my arms. You are a masterpiece, my Mona Lisa, a work of art, a perfect melody. So take my hand and dance with me. I'll take the lead. You're a masterpiece made for me. Billions of people all over the world, but you wanted me by your side. Oh, I know that Vincent would stand here in awe if he saw you on this starry night. And ooh, our love is from here to the moon. Ooh, it ain't got nothing on you. You are a masterpiece, my Mona Lisa, a work of art, a perfect melody. So take my hand and dance with me. I'll take the lead. You're a masterpiece made for me. You're a masterpiece made for me. You're a masterpiece. So take my hands and dance with me. I'll take the lead. You're a masterpiece made for me.
This dance is called Masterpiece, choreographed by Mike Wilson. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level rolling 8 count line dance. There's one tag in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, back, sweep your right, behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward, facing 9, step right foot forward, make spiral full turn left, press left foot forward, recover, sweep your left, behind, 1/8 right, side, press left foot forward, recover together, facing 1030. Section 2, rock forward, recover, 3/8 turn to your right, step right foot forward, facing 3, step left foot forward, make a spiral 3/4 turn to your right, stepping on the side, facing 12, sway to your left, sway to your right, sway to your left, right foot, cross side. Section 3, right foot, back, sweep your left, behind, quarter turn right, step right foot forward, facing 3, step left foot forward and make a half turn right, weight on your left, facing 9, rock back and reach left hand forward. Shuffle half turn to your left, step in, left, right, left, shuffle half turn to your left, step in, right, left, right, rock left foot forward, recover. Last section, step left foot forward, sweep your right, diamond quarter turn to your right, cross 1/8 right, back, back facing 1030, behind 1/8 right, side facing 12, forward. Chase half turn, So right foot forward, pivot half turn left, forward, facing 6, left foot, forward coaster step, forward together. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. 1. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. In this dance, there's a 4 count tag after wall 2 facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you the tag. Starting with the left foot, back, sweep your right, behind, quarter turn left, forward, facing 9, quarter turn left, side, touch. Now you're facing 6, restart the dance. With counts for the tag. 1, 2, and 3, 4. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.